Hi friend, great afternoon, good morning wherever you are, part of this world or time zone you are. So let's study God's words. Ang didakin natin today is retrace your steps. Yung Bible version is from Luke. By not finding him, they returned to Jerusalem to look for him. That's Luke 2 verse 45. So the one who wrote today's story is Sis Vea Lim Viñas, so the sister of Belden Lim and wife of Mike Viñas. So there will be times that parang you entered or parang you're going towards a room tapos naisip mo, what was I going to do again? So hindi mo malaman ano ba yung dapat mong gawin, nakalimutan mo na. So sabi ni Sis Vea, what she does is she go back to the place kung saan siya originally nanggaling, where she came from. So by that, parang nire-retrace niya nga yung steps niya. So through that, naalala niya, I'm supposed to do this, or I'm supposed to go to this, or I'm supposed to start letter or whatever. Naalala niya. So parang kaya retrace your steps. So whenever this happens, sabi niya, I retrace my step. I go back to the last thing I was doing before I entered the room. And slowly, as I trace my step, I remember my thought process, and that brings me to recall what I have to do. So friend, na-encounter mo na ba na sometimes parang you are lost, hindi mo lang what I am going to do, what's my next step. Suddenly, parang you are lost, diba? So yun, parang advice ni Sis Vea is to retrace your step. Go back from where you originally start or came from. So sabi niya, do you feel like you're lost God along the way? So parang the same thing. Ano ba yung what brought you away from the Lord? Is it a heartache? Is it losing a job? A long wait? Or even parang complacent or comfortable life, parang nawalan ka na ng challenge sa buhay, kaya parang naging complacent ka na rin. So wherever you lost him, go back, for you'll find him there again. Surrender the hurt or whatever is made you forget about it. He'll be waiting. So friend, ayon. Sabi nga, as we celebrate the Feast of Santo Niño, find joy like a child as you find Jesus again. Yan. Lord, I go back to the thing that made me turn my back from you around. I find you there, never leaving my side. Thank you that you are faithful over when I am not. Amen, amen. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.